welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacquelyn Lopez. Today I'm going to be doing a thrift store haul. Thank you if you are a returning subscriber, and if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. I do a lot of home decor haul videos, and I plan to do more DIY videos pretty soon. Let's just go ahead and get started. Let me go ahead and start off with the first item, which is my favorite. This piece is not for me, it is for a project I am working on. Let me see if I can get it in frame. It is this plant stand, and it is very boho. This was $4.99. It does have a small tear right here, but it's nothing that can't be fixed with a little wood glue. I just love this. Again, this is for a project I'm working on for a space that I'm decorating. Again, that planter is for a space that I'm working on. I'll be decorating an entire loft, and I can't wait to show you that. Okay, the other thing that I bought were these candle holders. I did get a set of 2, and these are beautiful. These were $3.99, but they're originally from Pier 1, and Pier 1 had them at $22.95. One of them is a little dirty, but it's nothing that can't be cleaned. And I did get these 50% off, so for $4 I got 2 of them. Another set of candle holders that I got was this beautiful set. These were also $3.99 each. I didn't get these at the discount, but they're beautiful. They do have some chipping on them, but that's fine. And these I most likely will be painting. I do not prefer this color of wood, so I don't know if I'm going to lightly sand them and try to stain them, which probably would be a very daunting task, but I may still try and do that. If not, I'll just spray paint it. And then I got this bag of candles, and this was $2.99. It did have 6. I have the other 2 outside. Let me show you. It is this type of thicker candle. It still has the same small base, I'm sorry. But look how good that fits in there and looks. This is a much better size candle for this type of candle holder. I love the lines that they have, and these are just for decoration. I don't think I'll ever turn them on, light them on, I'm sorry. I may light them on just so that I can get a little bit of the melted effect, or so that I can get this weird cone top off of it. But I always love Goodwill, how they have the little baggies with stuff in them. I have found such great things in these bags. I have found napkin holders, a lot of the candle holders, like the brass candle holders. My Goodwill tends to like to bag them in groups, and they do sell them for about $12.99 or $9.99, but you get a lot of them. It's better than buying a lot of separate ones for $2.99, $3.99, because that's the price that I usually find them at when they're on their own. So don't forget to check out those little bags. I also bought a bag, another bag of this, and that one was, I think it was $2.99 as well. And it had a bunch of wood pieces, kind of like what you buy at Michael's for $1 each, where it was like the round beads or the other like little flat circles. I don't know what to call them, I'm sorry. And I'm going to be doing some reversible candle holders with those pieces, along with other ones that I had already bought at Michael's, so I can't wait to show that. I'm going to try and film that tomorrow so that they go up pretty consecutively, so hold me to it. Another thing that I love to buy at thrift stores are books, and let me tell you, this time that we went, we scored. I didn't buy any books for decorating, any more of the condensed Reader Digest. I bought actual books that we're going to read. First, I got this book that's called just Best Burgers, and I love this. This is actually going to be for the project that I'm working on as well. This is not something I'm going to read. It does have some recipes, but it's the bigger type of pages, kind of like what you would have in a children's book. So I thought this was fun. The space that I'm going to be decorating is for a young couple, and they're quirky and fun like that, so I feel like they would really appreciate this book. And then I got this kind of like coffee table style book, but this is more for kids. It's about cowboys. and it's just, my son and I call them information books because they do have a lot of pictures, but it's mainly information. My son loves these type of books, so this one was for him. And this book was $3.99. The other book was $2.99, the burger book. And then I also found Tina Fey's Bossy Pants book. I do have this in the audio version, but I can't wait to actually sit down and read it. I love biographies, memoirs, books about people. I love those. Well, I read almost anything, but especially about people that I like, and I love Tina Fey, so this was perfect. And this was $2.99, and all of the books I got half off as well. Another book I'm most excited about is the book called The Woman in Cabin 10. This is a mystery. The type of books that I do prefer to read are mysteries. I just finished reading The Couple Next Door. Highly recommend that. And this was already on my reading book list. I think that's what it's. This book is on my to read list, so I was really excited to have found this for $2.99 at the thrift store. And again, I got this 50% off, so I can't wait to start reading this. Look, I love reading, so leave me any book recommendations down below. Let me just go ahead and start telling you that my favorite book of all time is George Orwell's 1984. Just the last line of that book, it still gets to me. It's my favorite book of all time. So that's going to be my book recommendation for you. Leave me yours down below. And my Goodwill, and I'm sure other Goodwills have this too, but they had Christmas in July, and they had a lot of Christmas stuff out. They already have their trees, they already have their little village houses. I don't want to buy a lot this year in terms of Christmas decor because I am running out of space to store it, so I don't want to buy too much, but I could not resist a couple items. Well, actually it was just two. So I bought a set of these two red like wire sleighs, and I am going to be spray painting these most likely white or gold, so that they could fit more of my decor. I don't do a lot of reds, and with something like this I would prefer to be, again, a gold or a white, and I can just fill it with potpourri or some candles. But I thought this was really cute. I got two of them for $1.99. And then this piece I could not resist. I hope it's in frame, I'm sorry. It is this, I don't even know what to call it. This horn is what I'm going to go ahead and just call this. I got this for $2.99. I am going to remove this and probably make like a small wreath, maybe put some greenery up here and hang this. I just thought this was so beautiful. I love this brass color. It is very light also, so I could hang it with my simple little push pins and it'll hold just fine. I think this was my favorite Christmas piece that I have ever bought. I just love this. I had been looking for something like this, so I got pretty lucky when I did, because the day prior I had gone to a different Goodwill and they had this exact same piece. It just had green, and that one was for $7.99, and I said, no, it's not worth it. I know you wanted, but for $7.99, no. And then I went to the thrift store and I got this for $2.99, and I was also able to get this 50% off. And Goodwill usually doesn't do seasonal 50% off, but I got very lucky that I got to do this for that price. Now, just as a bonus, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you some other items that are not from the thrift store, but I'm very excited to share them with you. I bought this small laundry hamper, and I got this for $3.99 from the Super 99, my bad, the 99-cent only store. I don't know why I always call it Super 99. It's called 99-cent only store. Again, this was $3.99. I love its size. It is about, let me see if I can show it to you. It is about 1.5 feet tall. This is perfect for a small space, so I believe I will be using this in our master bathroom, because we do have a small master bathroom, and this will be just perfect for that space. It won't take up a lot of it, but it'll still be very purposeful. Also, from the 99-cent only store, I did get this lantern, and it is just beautiful. This is perfect for the outside. I got this as well for $3.99. Next year I want to redo our outdoor area, so I feel like this will be perfect. I'm not going to use it until next year, but I knew if I wouldn't have bought it now, most likely was not going to be able to get it next year. And it does come with a little glass candle holder, and it's just plain glass. You can put, I'd probably put an electric candle just because it's for outside. Just plain and simple. I'm sure you can use a light kit if you wanted to hang this, but I think it'll be just perfect kind of like as a centerpiece in the outdoor patio set that we're planning to purchase next year. From the Dollar Tree, I wanted to show you these cotton branches that I bought. I bought a total of 3. I did a whole story highlight on my Instagram. Follow me on my Instagram and go check that out. I go a little bit more into detail about these, but I do love them. They are only $1. You get 7 little heads or bulbs. I want to show you kind of how that is. So it's just plain cotton. With these, obviously these don't look realistic, but I feel that once they're part of your decor, if this is just an accent, it won't really make too much of a difference. Also on my Instagram, I do have a picture where I style these, and you can barely kind of tell that it's like this cheap plasticky rather than the one that looks like the real bulb that holds the cotton in there. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and please comment down below again your book recommendations and which items you liked best. Thank you so much. Have a good rest of your day. Goodbye.